demonstration of IQ ventilator operation introduction. Accessories. An IQ ventilator is a critical life support device used to assist or replace a patient's breathing when they are unable to breathe adequately on their own. Understanding its basic operation is essential for healthcare professionals to ensure safe and effective patient care. This demonstration provides a brief overview of the ventilator's main components, basic settings, and the correct steps. The goal is to promote proper usage, patient safety, and rapid response in critical situations for operating the machine in a clinical environment. The goal is to promote proper usage, patient safety, and rapid response in critical situations.